So today we are going to discuss about the use of deep learning in our daily life. By the time you all must have searched some daily uses of deep learning in the time. So let's get started for the uses of deep learning in our daily life. So let's first give the heading use of deep learning. So basically the first use of deep learning is in medical. It is in medical researches. So in medical researches, how does deep learning help? In medical, a deep learning algorithm is basically trained and which helps to detect the cancer cells. So a type of microscope is invented which helps to check and see and detect the cancer cells. Now secondly, we have the use in industrial automation. In industrial automation, basically deep learning helps that wherever there is a heavy machinery, besides that it is used for the safety purpose, that within a range if people come, so it automatically detects that here is a heavy machinery and within a range many people are standing or sitting there, so it helps in reducing the accidents and all that things in heavy industries. Now moving to the third example, we have the automated driving. You all must be familiar that the concept of that automatic cars are running very much in this era. So how it helps in automated driving, that it helps to see the traffic signals and the stop signals, whatever there are in the roads, and it also helps to prevent moving from that side where the pedestrians are moving. So this basically reduces the road accidents which are caused. Now our fourth use of deep learning is aerospace and defense. Aerospace and defense. So some deep learning algorithms and models are trained when the satellites go upside, so there it takes the images and it tells about the safe and unsafe areas, so that the troops can already get knowledge that what are the safe areas to go and what are the unsafe areas to go. So basically it takes the images and helps the troops to tell the safe and the unsafe areas. Now moving to our fifth example, we have electronics. You all must be familiar with Alexa and that Google Assistant and all that things. So a deep learning model must be trained there, which helps to communicate with other, like a machine. You can see a machine when communicates with a person. So basically deep learning is used there, that someone can talk, any machine can talk and communicate with others, so communicate with a human being. So basically in electronics the deep learning models and the algorithms are used. So let's take a revision and summary that where are the deep learning use of deep learning in our daily life. So medical researches, industrial automation, automated driving, aerospace and defense, and electronics. So these are the 5 and the basic examples that where deep learning is used in our daily life. I would always appreciate your suggestions and your examples. You can give any example or any suggestion about the use of deep learning in our daily life in the comment box. So I thought that I had given a little glimpse and little explained to you about that where and in which field and how the deep learning is helpful on a daily basis. So this is all for this video, and in the next video I would be coming up with the use of machine learning in our daily life. So thank you and bye bye.